Baka imprudence, pwede ka. Wow. Wow.
Hey, good morning everyone on this rather hazy day, and I'm up to Tuy Batangas right now on 9012, and route of flight will take us to San Fernando and then straight down southwest to the southern tip of Bataan, and then we'll cross over Manila Bay overhead Corregidor, which is a famous World War II site. And then onto the Batangas coast and straight on to Tuy. Okay, we're abeam Mount Mariveles. I'm currently on Manila control, and they granted us permission to climb to 2,500. Lucky for us, runway 24 is in use today, so we can climb a little bit higher on the west side of the airport without worrying about airliners on top of us, so that's pretty cool. And still quite hazy. Hopefully things will improve a little bit later. It's not really a big problem in terms of VFR. It's still VFR. Just not good for taking videos, but oh well. Confirm. Okay, looming ahead of us is the Fortress Island of Corregidor, guarding the mouth of Manila Bay. The Island of Corregidor, of course, is a scene of fierce battles during the early part of World War II, when the Japanese landed here in the Philippines, as well as during the liberation of the Philippines.
With 273 Manila approach, radar.
Okay, we just crossed Manila Bay and we're now in the coastline of Batangas. Just maintaining an altitude of 2,500 feet here just to avoid some mountains. It's quite high, the terrain here. So just being careful in that. And we're pretty much VFR on top. So we'll make sure we keep it that way. Alright, we're approaching Tuy, and since I'm not familiar, this is my first time to land here. The game plan is we're gonna orbit overhead, take a look at the area around the airfield, as well as determine what the winds aloft is. Should be calm today. The forecast winds are calm, but we'll have a look. Tuy traffic, RPC 9012, 5 miles to the north at 1,800 feet inbound. We'll fly overhead the field initially and then proceed with the approach.
Good morning, this is Tuy.
Hello, good morning. Is it possible to land? This is 9012 overhead Tuy.
Or any people running around, but you may land.
Sorry, I missed you there. Say again.
You may land.
All right, copy. We'll land on top of the glider. Well, just beyond the glider.
Yeah, runway is long enough and wind is calm.
Yeah, no problem. No problem.
Welcome to Tuy. You may not be here for the moment.
Thank you. Ooh, yeah. Turned my 152 into an all-terrain vehicle.
Are you gonna fly the glider today, Mio? You're gonna fly the glider today? Yeah. So we are here in Tuy Batangas, and this is actually my first cross-country flight. It's not the first for 9012. Someone else took it somewhere else, but yeah, this is my first cross-country flight with the airplane. So yeah, it's pretty cool.
How long did you fly? Hour?
Yeah, it's just probably about an hour and 5, something like that. I know. That's incredible. Imprudence pwede ka. Whoa. Wow. That is a takeoff.
One 24870.
Passing overhead Corregidor. Wow, awesome. See the Balong barracks right on top of it. There's an airfield here, but I don't know if it's operational or not. Probably not. It would be nice to fly there though. Okay, so we just flew across the mouth of Manila Bay already, and we're currently flying next to Mount Mariveles. Right on the northern edge of it is a small hill with a large cross there. It's a monument for the Bataan Death March. Actually, the route that we're flying right now is the route the prisoners of war have taken on the way to the Japanese POW camps in the Cabanatuan area. And a great many Filipinos and Americans lost their lives traversing this route. And even if you look at this area, the rugged peaks of Mount Mariveles, you have this eerie feeling, especially knowing that a lot of people lost their lives here during the start of the Second World War. Manila approach, RPC 9012, radial 275, and tracking north.
RPC 9012, you may contact Clark approach. Clark approach now. Good day.
Copy, switching Clark approach, thank you. Well, I suppose that's it for today. I'm already talking to Clark approach. We hope you enjoyed that flight to Tuy. And sorry about the weather. It was quite hazy today. Wish we had better weather and better visibility for better visuals, but that's how it is, I guess. Anyway, I'll post the spider tracks with regards to where we flew. Thank you, like and subscribe, and have a good day. Bye-bye.